I drew another long-term support line here around $5, which you can see. Basically, that's the lowest. Well, with the exception of the huge crash at the end of 2022, $5 is the lowest price level that Aptos has fallen to over these years. You can see that Aptos has basically just been chopping sideways, like pumping and dumping, basically for 2 or 3 years now. Which again, it's very frustrating. But at this stage in the cycle, this price action is completely normal. And again, like, could Aptos break below this range and enter a new bear market? Possibly, but this would completely invalidate what we've seen in previous cycles. It would suggest that this cycle was shorter, that there was no altcoin participation, which of course I'm sure a lot of you guys are hearing stuff like that. But there's no reason to believe, like, there's not enough evidence to declare that just yet. Could it be the case? Always possible, but I would say the probability is maybe like 5% or 10%, right? Like I do think, or I do believe strongly, like with 95% confidence, that most altcoins, again, not all, some of them could still go lower, but most altcoins are at their local lows or literally within like less than 5% of those lows, whether it's Aptos, Solana, or Sui, and all of them I think are going to see massive gains to either over the summer, which is my personal opinion. That's when the cycle tops, I think, will all be hit. This $20 target is not a cycle top for Aptos. I do think Aptos could get closer to 100, but in any case, I do think that that's going to happen over the summer. Some people think it could be over the fall.